Wednesday is sponsored by Clark's Nutrition Natural Foods Market. Live better, we can help.
Summer might be winding down, but there's still plenty of sunshine and a few pesky reminders that the season's not over yet. Yes, we're talking about mosquitoes, UV rays, and all the little things that can sneak up on you. But don't worry, Starkey Sowers from Clark's Nutrition is here, and he's got you covered. You're like Superman. You know, like everything about everything, I feel.
I don't know about that.
You really do. I mean, really do. But I love that you've got these tips, and they're all natural.
Yeah, so I think the biggest thing, like you're saying, you know, summer's winding down, right, as you said, but there's still the pesky reminders. We got to deal with the pests. By the way, we're still getting bites.
Yes.
Supposed to be less this year, they say, but I'm still getting them, right?
Absolutely.
And then also got to remember, we still got to take care of the sun and not be torched, right? And then if you got some bug bites, things of that nature. So let's go here. This stuff works.
Yes. What is it? I need it.
Okay, so this is the Nantucket stuff. I actually started putting this out, and literally you take this and you start them on fire.
Yes.
These are going home with you, Mary.
I put those whenever I have like a dinner outside. I put them all around, and nobody gets bit.
Exactly.
They're great, and they actually smell good too.
They do. They smell amazing. They work well. This is probably one of my favorite scents. Now let's talk sunscreen stuff.
Sunscreen. We have this
you're a freak with this, right? Yeah.
Every time Starkey puts this on, he's got so much hair that it's just like he turns into a ghost.
White ghost.
Yeah, white ghost. But what I like about what you select is that there's a tiny bit of that, but not a ton,
and they are
really protect.
Reef-safe.
And they're reef-safe.
But the biggest thing, as you were talking about, it doesn't have any of the oxobenzones or other different types of compounds. And I'm not saying that there's a lot of research that say that that's all problematic, but it's close. You know, there's like it's out there. It's like
yes.
So if you want complete zinc oxide, this is great stuff. I put this on a few minutes ago.
Badger. This is one I really, really like because I look for 18 to 20% zinc, and this is a little over 18%, which is super.
Well, as we found out, if you put that on, you got a little bit of the white glaze. You take the Badger balm and then put it on top, and then it kind of soaks it in.
Yes, that's nice. And that smells really good too. This is for after sun, so you can buy the before you go out and then after you get back home.
So since we're talking about after sun stuff, right? So you and I both love like these oils, right?
We love it.
I live on these things in the summer.
So do I.
So this is my new favorite one.
So the one that I liked is no longer
available in our stores, and I don't know why.
Oh, it makes me so sad.
So I had to come up with a substitute.
This is a great substitute. He just put this on, and it smells like cocoa butter and summer. It just smells amazing.
Puts you right back to Redondo.
It puts you right back. I would say Manhattan Beach, but yes, but Redondo too. But this is great. So it's the Alba Intense Hydration Body Oil.
Yeah, it's great
And
stuff.
I like this company because it's all natural and organic.
Super solid company.
That's wonderful.
And finally, hydration.
The hydration.
We know we got to hydrate. So a new company came out with it called Great Electrolytes. Really fun stuff. So it literally has celery, coconut, a bunch of other different things. Is this it right here? There it is.
Oh, it's called Great. Which one is this?
It's that one right there.
Great Electrolytes. Yeah. It smells good, like raspberries. Amazing.
One of my buddies made this company, did a great job with it.
Super good.
Isn't that amazing?
Wow. That tastes like a Starbucks cooler.
I know.
That is really excellent.
That's perfect.
My daughter would like that because I try to give her electrolytes. She's like, no, Mom, those don't taste right, but she would like that.
Yep. It's one of the ones that tastes well as the ingredients are amazing and just the perfect balance of electrolytes too.
Wonderful. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thanks
last couple weeks of summer.
I know.
Just have fun,
we can go for it now that we've got all this. I'm going to enjoy a little bit of hydration, and we will be right back.